In Japanese myth, the sun once rage-quit the sky, plunging the world into total darkness. Not eclipse, not clouds, gone. Here's how it happened. Amaterasu, the sun goddess, had a brother, Susanoo, the chaotic sibling who trashes the place. After one too many disasters, Amaterasu said, "I'm out," and hid inside a cave. The gods scrambled. They tried begging, they tried bribes, so they threw a party. Amino Uzume hopped on a tub, and danced so hard the gods burst out laughing. Amaterasu cracked the cave door, the gods flashed a mirror. She saw her own brilliant light, thought it was another sun, and leaned in. They pulled her out. Boom, sunrise. It's a myth, sure, but it's also a mood. Hide when chaos hits. Find your way back with laughter, community, a reminder of your own light. Now, lightning round, kitsune, fox spirits that shapeshift into humans, friends, or tricksters. Kappa, river goblins with a water bowl on their head. Bow to them. They bow back. Water spills. They lose their power. Tengu, mountain guardians with long noses, prideful but disciplined. Yuki-onna, the snow woman. Beautiful, cold as winter, breath like frost. The moon? A rabbit pounding rice cakes for eternity. Look closely at the craters. You'll see the ears. Japanese mythology isn't just monsters and gods. Respect nature, mind your pride, keep your humor. Mirrors aren't just for looking, they're for finding the light you forgot you had. If you want more myths decoded in 2 minutes, tell me which world to explore next. I'm in.